In recent times, Claude launched their new model called Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and I saw some mixed opinion on the internet while scrolling through it and while going through it. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about my experience, what I experienced through using this new model, and also I will show you all the mixed opinion on the internet, what is going on. So I saw some Reddit post where all the people have their mixed opinion about how it is better, means how Claude 3.7 is better than 3.5, and somehow some people also say that the older version was good, and some also say that the both the version is the same as it is. And so I'm going to read some comment here that is posted on Reddit. So first of all, here someone posted, um, so what's everyone thoughts on using the new Beast for creative writing? In my experience, when I tested it, the same prompt I gave 3.5, it's generally worse when it comes to creativity and rhyming, except one single time when it threw 3,000 words at me that were better than anything I have seen from the LLM. So this person experienced the worst when sometime, and except one single time where it throws 3,000 words that were better. Okay, so uh, but I wasn't really trying to prompt engineer regular human speech, which I know is not the best approach to AI. Okay. So this is the experience of him, and him or her, I don't know. And the next comment I saw, which I feel interesting, is I'm sure it's a great for coding as everyone has been screaming all morning. Yeah, it's all. We know that Anthropic launched its coding model called Claude Code, which can generate codes. Actually, honestly, I have not experienced as much that model, but I'll soon make a video on that topic. So let's continue reading this. I use Claude for circuit topology and other forms of electrical engineering, and for help writing novels as well as editing Substack articles. Okay. Granted, I have only used 3.7 a few hours. It seems pretty much exactly the same to me. Okay, so it feels same to him or her. I don't know. I don't know even if I need to give it more time, or maybe it's just for my specific use cases. For so something and topic didn't focus on, but I am really noticing no differences at all. So it no differences at all. Okay. Another comment here is that I actually feels it is a slight downgrade. Okay, he feels that it is a downgrade of its older version, that is 3.5. So, okay, and more precise and perfect 3.7 is still good, but sometimes I feel it's slightly better. I feel 3.5 is slightly better. Sorry. Okay. So here, someone replied to him that have you tried using it with the thinking model? Did you notice any difference? So he asked him a question, but he didn't reply it. Okay. And the next comment is it's hard to tell because of how subjective creative writing can be to judge, but I can tell I have an interesting story going with 3.7, and it is something I never managed to do with 3.5, since 3.5 always cut itself off horribly short outputs. Okay, so he also this comment is okay. Um, I don't have a particular creative, so there are mixed opinion on Reddit, which I have gone through, and I read some of the comment to you, and Let me know in the comment below what you think about this model, new 3.7, and comparison to its older one that is 3.5. And I'm just exploring this model, Claude, and I asked, hi, I'm excited to know what you tell me about yourself. So it generates this. Hello, I'm a Claudian AI assistant created by Anthropic. I'm designed to be helpful, harmless, and honest in my interactions. Okay. Um, I can assist you with a wide variety of tasks, including answering questions, writing and editing, analyzing information, creative collaboration, problem solving, and coding assistance. I'm the Claude 3.7 Sonnet model released in February 2025. I am to provide thoughtful, nuanced responses while being respectful and considerate. I enjoy engaging in discussing across many domains, from science and philosophy to apparent practical matters. So, I really impressed with this response, and further, I will explore this model more, and I will make a short video on the Claude 3.7 model, how I experience it compared to the older one, and I will come up with a new fresh video regarding the Claude 3.7 model. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have some. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next time. Thank you.